The following pages are central to the mandatory volunteer CSW training program. Your online registration will only be finalized after you have completed this session. Please allow for half an hour to finish the course.
Welcome to CSW Online's e-learning program for new operators. You have applied to join a CSW group in your local area. Before you can begin to observe and record offending vehicles, you will need to finish 2 compulsory training sessions. They are 1. Code of Conduct, Health and Safety, and Procedures, and 2. Practical Deployment and Handling of Equipment. The first course is theoretical, and must be completed online. The second is a hands-on lesson, that will be conducted either at a police station near where you live, or during a roadside session, organized by your local CSW group coordinator.
When you have finished the short online course, and passed the quiz at the end, your online registration will be finalized. An officer from your local neighborhood policing team, or your local CSW group coordinator, will contact you with details about future practical training sessions.
On the following pages, you will find descriptions of the most important aspects relating to your involvement with the Community Speed Watch scheme. In places you will also find details which are necessary for you to remember and be aware of when you are observing and recording offending vehicles.
Mostly you will find that these rules and principles are based on common sense. However, some of them are mandatory guidelines, which you will need to follow in order to maintain your involvement with the scheme.
Sound and prudent judgment based on a simple perception of the situation is assumed, but a degree of discipline is equally expected of you.
The online course consists of 4 sections. 1. Objectives and purpose of the CSW scheme. 2. Obligations and behavior. 3. Important things to remember about safety. And 4. Procedure, roadside recording, and equipment. Each section ends with a short pre-test quiz. You can either test your knowledge after each section, or skip the pre-test quiz before continuing to the next chapter.
Your training as CSW operator will only progress to the next level when you have answered all the questions in the quiz correctly. You are allowed to make as many attempts as are needed to submit your answers. However, if you do not select all the correct answers or statements, your practical training cannot be arranged. If you do not succeed at first, just click the back button and try again. Good luck.